Namaste from the channel The Tech Dude, and today we are going to review the LG G Pad 8.0. This tab was released in 2014. It almost cost $95. Let's take a look inside the box. It has a USB cable and a 1.8 ampere charger. Let's talk about the main features of this tablet. This tablet has an IPS display. It has a 8.0 inch LCD display. It doesn't have the best resolution. It has a 1.3 megapixel front camera and a 5.0 megapixel rear camera. It has a dedicated micro SD card slot up here. It supports up to 64 GB of memory card, and we have the 3.5 mm headphone jack. This tab is 9.5 millimeters thick. It has the USB 2.0 port, and this tab has a 4200 mAh battery. It has 1 GB RAM and 16 GB of ROM. It is running 4.4.2 KitKat. This tab has a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor and a Snapdragon 400 chipset. This tab has stereo speakers. You can shoot 1080p videos in 30 frames per second with this camera. The front camera can also shoot 720p videos. So guys, this was a quick review of this G Pad 8.0. Thanks for watching, and we will meet in the next video.